In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add negative keywords in Google Ads step by step. Now, whether you're new to Google Ads or simply looking to optimize your campaigns, understanding how to manage negative keywords effectively is crucial. This can significantly enhance your ad performance by making sure your ads are not shown to people who aren't in the market for what you're offering, thus saving you money and increasing your ROI. Let's dive in. First things first, navigate to the Google Ads homepage. You can easily find this by searching for Google Ads in your web browser, and it should be the top result. Once you arrive on the homepage, you'll want to sign in. If you haven't used Google Ads before, you'll be prompted to set up an account, but for most of you watching, simply clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner will do the trick. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your Google Ads home. This is where you'll manage your campaigns, and believe me, it can seem a little overwhelming at first. So here's a pro tip. Take a deep breath and take it one step at a time. From the homepage, look to your left-hand side. This is where the navigation panel resides. Here you'll see various options. You want to click on the Campaigns tab. This section will show you all of your active campaigns. After you've entered the campaign section, it's time to refine your campaign settings. Look for the option labeled Audiences, Keywords and Content. This is where we'll tweak some key settings for better reach and specificity. Clicking on this will lead you to a new page filled with more navigational options. From this new interface, what you're going to do next is focus your attention on keywords. By selecting this, you'll be narrowing down your focus directly to the keyword management section. Now it's finally time to address those negative keywords. In the keywords menu, you'll see a tab labeled Negative Keywords. Negative keywords are those terms for which you do not want your ads to appear. This helps filter out unwanted traffic and focuses your spending where it counts. Click on this tab and a new interface will appear, ready for you to refine your keyword list. Ready? Click on the option to add negative keywords. This is where you'll be able to input the specific terms or phrases you want to exclude from triggering your ads. Think carefully about the keywords you choose to negate. Suppose you're selling high-end running shoes. In that case, you might want to exclude phrases like cheap running shoes to prevent clicks from bargain hunters who aren't likely to convert into customers. That's it. You've successfully added negative keywords to your campaign. Implementing this step can help ensure you're targeting the right audience with the right intent. Thanks for tuning in and happy advertising.